From the Cruise Radio studio in Jacksonville, Florida, this is Cruise News Today with Doug Parker.
Here's your cruise news for Friday, August 27th, 2021. Carnival Panorama will be late returning to Long Beach, California on Saturday, and what the line is calling a technical issue with propulsion. Panorama is now set to be back at 10 a.m., also delaying the departure later that afternoon until 5:30. Carnival is reimbursing change fees up to $200 per person if the air was not booked through the cruise line. In 2019, sister ship Carnival Vista also suffered technical issues with propulsion that required a complete overhaul of the Azipod system. Panorama is currently sailing a 7-night Mexican Riviera cruise from Long Beach. And due to overwhelming response, Viking Ocean Cruises will be adding a second world voyage in 23. The 138-day cruise will visit 57 ports across 28 countries, including 11 overnight stays. Viking Sky will depart from Fort Lauderdale on December 20th of 23. Prices start at $55,000 per person. And speaking of Viking, Cruise Radio staff writer Susan Young is currently aboard Viking Venus and shared some video footage of the new Viking robot. This industry-first robot uses UVC light to sanitize public spaces and the inside corridors of the ship at night. The company has 2 of these guys on board. Imagine waking up and seeing that guy standing over you. And cruise line stocks were down on Thursday. Carnival Corporation down 2.7%, 23.45. Royal Caribbean down 3 to 80.88. And Norwegian 2.7, 25.33. Breaking news and up-to-the-minute industry coverage at cruiseradio.net. Have a great weekend. I'm Doug Parker with Cruise News Today.
Cruise News Today is a production of Cruise Radio. For daily updates, subscribe to the Cruise Radio YouTube channel or visit cruiseradio.net.